Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. My beloved students, today I will take your Religion Islamic Studies class. Let's see our topic today. Our topic today is SQ, it means short question from exercise 1 to 15 from chapter students, it will be from chapter 2, and this is lecture number 7 and HW number 4. My beloved students, we didn't discuss till now the chapter 2, but if you get the question, then it will be easy for learning. You will get a lot of time. Inshallah, in online class we will continue our discussion, and between this time you will try to learn the all question answer. In your exercise chapter number 2, in your exercise there are 15 SQ, I mean short question. So today I am providing you 15 short question from exercise. Inshallah, next class I will provide you the CSQ, it means competency based short question. Let's see the first question. The first question is, what is ibadat? From chapter 2, first question is, what is ibadat? Answer: to abide by the orders of Allah and not to do the acts prohibited by Allah is called ibadat. Students, you can write this definition, and there is or means you can follow this definition also. So ibadat means allegiance, slavery, devotion, obedience to Allah, and to abide by the order of Allah. So this is the second definition of ibadat. Now the another definition, that is obedience to Allah's order, positive or negative, is ibadat. So my beloved students, keep attention here. I given here 3 definition of ibadat. So you can follow any one. Now question number 2, why has Allah created us? Us means why has Allah created the human beings? Answer: Allah has created us only for His ibadat. Number 3, how many rukuns are there in Islam? Students, at first you have to know what does rukun means. Rukun means pillars. So I written here answer: rukun means pillars. There are 5 rukuns in Islam. They are Iman, Salat, Zakat, Sawm and Hajj. So this is the question number 3 answer. Now question number 4, write down the names of 5 times Salat. It's very easy, students. Answer: the names of 5 times Salat are Fajr, Johor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Now question 5, what are the forbidden times of Salat? Forbidden means prohibited time, I mean when you cannot perform the Salat. My beloved students, keep attention here. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has forbidden performance of Salat on 3 occasions. 3 occasions means in 3 times. He said to the Muslims, don't perform the Salat at that 3 times. So they are, number 1, just at the time of sunrise, when the sun starts rising. Number 2, just at midday. And number 3, during sunset, when the sun starts setting down. It means this is the early morning when you are performing the Fajr prayer. After performing the Fajr prayer, then the sun is rising. So there are maybe 10 or 15 minutes you cannot perform Salat. Then just at midday, I mean when the sun will be fully direct to our head, on the sky, then you cannot perform the Salat, and then when sun is setting down. Okay, now number 6, who is a Musafir? Students, keep attention here. This is one of the questions which not the discussion in your book. I mean Musafir related any discussion you will not get in your book, but after that those written the book, they given here about the Musafir, but we written here about the Musafir. Answer is, if any person intends to travel to a place having the distance of 48 miles or about 80 kilometers away from his home and want to stay there less of 15 days, then he is called a Musafir. Students, you have to understand about the Musafir. For example, if you want to travel from Dhaka to Chattogram, Dhaka to Chittagong or Dhaka to Borishal, but you don't want to stay there more than 15 days or 15 days. So when your intention, your desire will be less than 15 days, for example 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, 12 days, and the distance must be 48 miles or more than 80 kilometers, then you will be a musafir. And what is the direction for the musafir? Those are the musafir, they cannot perform the 4 rakats of prayer fully. I mean, they have to less 2 rakats of the 4 rakats prayers. For example, Johor prayers, Asr prayers and Isha prayers, they cannot perform the 4 rakats. They must be performed 2 rakats. This is the order of Almighty Allah. When we will take the online class, inshallah, we will discuss about that more. Now question number 7, what is Akam? It's very easy, it's related to the Salat. The compulsory activities which are required to be done before starting the Salat are called Akam. Students, when we will discuss about the Akam, for example, cleaning the body or cleaning the place or knowing about the waqt, I mean timing of the Salat, this type of 7 Ahkam are there. So before starting the activities which are related to the Salat, they are called the Ahkam of Salat. Now 8 number, what is Arkan? The compulsory activities that should be done in the midst of Salat are called Arkan. For example, performing the Ruku or Shizda or reciting from the Holy Quran or sitting between sitting in the last rakat. This is the Arkan of Salat. Now number 9, what is Saum? Saum means Roja. Saum means self-control with a view to satisfying Allah, abstaining from eating and drinking and some other activities from dawn to dusk is called Saum. Now number 10, how many divisions are made in the month of Ramadan considering the fazilat, virtue of Roza? So you have to write how many divisions are made in the month of Ramadan, considering the fazilat. So the month of Ramadan has been divided into 3 parts of relating to its virtue. These are mercy, forgiveness and nazat. It's very near of the Ramadan. When you will get the Ramadan, then you will get this like the Bengali, mercy means rahmat, forgiveness means the magfirat, khoma, and then last one is nazat. Nazat means free from the hell. So this is the 3 division of the song regarding the fazilat. Now question number 11, what is zakat? There is the definition of zakat. And now question number 12, what is hajj? Here also the definition of hajj. Now number 13, how many farz acts are there in hajj? What are they? So this is the farz activities of the hajj. Now answer is there are 3 farz acts of hajj. They are to wear ihram. Students, if you don't understand about the ihram, we will discuss in the online class, inshallah. Now number 1 is to wear ihram. Number 2 is ukuf or staying at the field of Arafat on 9th Zilhaj. And number 3, tawaf ziyarat. My beloved students, those want to perform the hajj, there are 3 farz activities. First one is they wear the white color of clothes. Already you know about the white color of ihram. So first condition is they wear ihram. Second condition is they will stay in the field of Arafat. This is the big field in the Makkah. They will stay there and they will listen to the speech of the Imam. And third number is tawaf ziyarat. They will round beside the Kaaba. So this 3 condition is for us for the Hajjis. Now question number 14, what is Qurbani? There is the definition of the Qurbani. And last number 15 number, what is Akika? Answer, Akika means to break, to cut, slaughtering an animal like that of Qurbani. In the name of Allah, on the 7th day after the birth of child, desiring safety and welfare of the child is called Akika. So when we will discuss in the book, then you will be more clear about the Akika. My beloved students, now I am writing the HW. Your HW number 4, that is any 3 SQ. Any 3 SQ from here. I already provided you 15 SQ. You will write any 3 SQ. This is your HW number 4. Okay, my beloved students, that's all for today. If you don't understand the question, don't be worried. When we will discuss in the class, then inshallah you will be clear. You just learn, keep learning. To abide by your parents, see you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.